coached and trained to over the years.
Meghalaya Chief Minister and National People's Party NPP Supremo Conrad K launched his poll campaign for his home constituency of 51 South Tura in a mega show of strength at New Tura Law College. The rally was attended by over 5,000 supporters from the constituency to endorse his candidature. Seeking support for the NPP party in the ensuing February 27th elections, the Chief Minister highlighted the various development works undertaken by his government in the last 5 years. Meanwhile, Sangma also led an election bike rally in southwest Garo Hills on Tuesday. NPP supporters numbering around 1,500 from 3 constituencies of southwest Garo Hills participated in the 20-kilometer bike rally from Ampati to Garo Dubi. The rally covered all the 3 constituencies of southwest Garo Hills district, demonstrating show of strength of the party. The UDP state election